Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and help you find your missing and deleted PlayStation 5 games. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if you can no longer find your PlayStation 5 games that you deleted, well, this is actually very easy to do. If we go on over to the game library right here, on the top we can see installed. This is currently what's on our PlayStation solid state drive, and everything is currently installed on our PlayStation. But if we go on over to your collection, this is where all our games will be located that we've ever bought across like the PlayStation ecosystem on the PlayStation 3, 4, or 5, anything that's digital. So if I scroll through here, I can see all 409 games that I currently own. So some of these games, I have it set to most recent, under sort and filter. I can go to purchase date, old to new, new to old, A to Z, Z to A, etc. So let's go to old to new. This is the oldest game I've ever had on my PlayStation, Zen Pinball 2. So I can re-download this game back to my PlayStation now. So let's choose one of these games. Let's choose this one and download it now. So use this sort by option on the left to find your games a little bit easier. Also, there's hidden items. If I select this, I may have accidentally hidden an item. So here are some games that I hid that I no longer see under my collection list anymore. And some of these games are no longer available, like Battleborn right here. So I can choose this and unhide it, and I'll go back to my collection. So let's go to hidden items and unselect that. And we can hide specific games under here as well. So you may have accidentally hid one of your games. You can press options on the game and then go to hide. And it says don't show in library. So just find it under your collection and you should be good to go. Now to simplify this, you could always go to the search option on the top here and just type the game in. Let's just do like Call of Duty or something like that, and you should be able to see all your Call of Duty games. So if I want to find like Call of Duty Black Ops 4 right here, I can find it easily instead of going through that entire menu. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.